Hi guys, this is Himanshu from the CMS guys. Today I will teach you how to create an awesome photography website from beginning to end with a stunning design using absolutely free tools and theme. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and show us your support by liking the video. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification of a new video every week. Let me show you a demo of the website that we are going to build today. So here you can see that this is the home page of our website, and on the top you can see that we have a logo of our company, and then these are links to the different pages. Now after that, here in this you can see that in the middle we have a hero section with a cover photo and and here we have this title and then a call to action read more button. Next, here we have this portfolio section with multiple image boxes and a text view all with a link. After that, we have about me section. Here we have image on the left and title, description, email, contact number and social media icons with link on the right. Following it, we have categories section. Here we have different photos listed in category wise in tab manner, like all, nature, earth, people, portrait, street. If you will click on all, you can see all the images. Next, here finally we have our photo and it has social media icons with link and the copyright text. Then next, go to the about us page. So here if you will see in this about us page, the header of the page is completely different. Here the header has some different background color, which is you can see that we have uses two colors to make it this background of this header. And then in this about us page we have this image on the left, and then on the right we have this about me text, and then education, and then email and phone number, and finally we have our footer at the bottom. Next, we have this our works page. So here in this works page, here we can see all the photos clicked by the photographer, and then here you can see that it is listed in different category wise. So if you will click on any of this category, that category image will be visible to you. Now let's move to the next page, which is contact us page. So in the contact us page you can see that we have a title and description, social media icon with links. After that we have here business location, contact number, email id, opening hours, and then we have contact form with submit button below. So now that you have seen what our target website will look like, so let's dive into creating it. Guys, do watch the complete video so that you get complete information about the video and you don't miss any important points. Please ask any queries you have in the comment section below and leave a thumbs up if you like a video. Also let us know which website you would like to learn next. So first we need a domain and hosting to set up the website. So for that we need to go to this website, the cmsguys.com/namecheap. So we are on the Namecheap hosting page, and I have been using this Namecheap for 3 years now and not faced any issue till date. All my websites which we have created for our tutorial purpose or anything, every websites, all my websites are hosting on this Namecheap only. I recommend you to use this same, as it is very easy to use and configure, and also cheaper than other providers. You can check other providers price and you will definitely see that this Namecheap hosting provider is very much cheap. There are 3 plans here. You can see that I personally use this stellar business plan as it suits my requirements, but if you are starting out, I recommend you to use you can purchase this stellar plus plan. It is more than enough for most use cases. It comes with an unmetered SSD, auto backup, and unlimited websites. Auto backup saves you from unnecessary hassles, and unlimited websites are also a great offering. It also gives you a SSL protection, which makes your website doesn't show up as potential threat to any user, and also gives you a domain name for free. There are some more benefits like unlimited bandwidth, privacy protection, etc., that you get with all Namecheap hosting. So you can if you will purchase any of this hosting, you will get that privacy protection and all. So here you can see that you have an option of selecting a data center. So you must select your data center near your country, and here on this top right corner, here you can see that all the prices are in dollar. If you want to change the currency, here you can select this USD, and here you can change it. So let me change it to Indian rupee as I am from India. Then let's select the Stellar Plus plan. Now it takes you to let me click on this get started. After that, when you will select this Stellar Plus plan, now here you can see that it is asking you about the domain name. This is a free domain name you will get, so enter any domain name you wish to purchase in this box below, and then select the domain name and click to connect to hosting. So here if you have an existing domain name, then also you can click on this existing domain name. So after that, here if you will type a domain name, let me type a demo domain name. Let me do one thing. I will do these CMS guys. So here you can see that all these domain names are of free of cost. This, and after that, when here you have to click this connect to hosting. After clicking on this connect to hosting, here you can, and then click on this add to cart. So here you can see that when we have done this add to cart option, here we have this domain 1 year subscription, the price become 0. And then domain privacy, we are getting 1 year subscription, and domain registration, if you want to increase, then also you can increase your domain registration, and if you want, you can enable the this auto renew feature. And now let us confirm our order. After verifying the domain, you can click on this confirm order to confirm this. And when you will click on this confirm order, so now on the next page, here you can see that it is asking you about this login credentials. If you don't have any account, then you can create an account, and if you have account, then you can log in it from here. So I already have an account, so I will use that here. So let's sign in now. So let me enter my username and password. After entering the username and password, let me click on this sign in and continue. And then here you can see that it is asking about this payment method. So here you can use any of this payment method. Here you can use this card details, or if you want to use this PayPal or anything, so you can choose any of this payment method you like, and you can continue confirm your order. Once more you have to click on this continue, and then after that you have to click on this pay now to confirm the order. Once the payment is completed, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So let me show you the dashboard. So you will be redirected to this dashboard, and where you can manage your domain and hosting from here. So here, and as we have got the hosting and domain, so our next step is to set up the WordPress. So from this dashboard, you can click on this. Here you can see, when you will hover over this, you can get this go to cPanel. So from here you can it will be redirect you to the cPanel. After then click on we have to install the WordPress. So first now to install WordPress, we have to scroll down to bottom, and or you can also getting this search option. Here you can search for WordPress, and then here you can see that WordPress manager by Softaculous. We have to use this one. You can click on this, and here you have to choose the domain name where you have to where you want to install. So for that let me first of all let me install the WordPress on my domain name. So for it, what I will do, we have to filling the WordPress details and all. First of all, click on this install, and then here we have to search for. So here you can see that this is my domain name where I want to install. So here I have selected this the cmsguys.in, and then here we have to fill our site name and then site description. So site name is basically our site title. So here I will give it the name the cms. Let me give it CMS guys. After that, here in this description I will be give our company tagline, which is spreading the knowledge. So let me give it. Then we have to choose the username and password. Then we have to choose this. So let me give it a username. So here I will give it the same as guys, and you can use random password, or you can give any password also, or you can use any of this password, or you can also use random password generator to generate passwords for you. After that, here we have to fill this admin email address. So here I will going to give my email address. So let me give it. And then here you can skip the theme installation. Here you can no need to select. We will select our own theme, and finally here we have to click on this install button. So our WordPress, you can find that within a few minutes our WordPress installed successfully. So let's wait for it. Then we will get one message for our WordPress. And so here you can see that congratulations message is here, and then the here you can see that the software was installed successfully. So now we will start creating and customizing our website. For that we need to go to the dashboard. So here you can see this, the administrative URL is basically the dashboard URL for the WordPress. So you can let me open our website first. So here you can see that this is the cmsguys.in, where we have installed the WordPress, and this is how it's going to look like, because it is the default theme is activated now. So if you want to go to this dashboards, and then you have to just here after your website name you have to put a slash, and then wp-admin, and then here you will be redirect to your dashboard login panel. And here also you can find this administrative URL, the same URL. It will be also redirect to you to the dashboard of this here dashboard of the WordPress. So here you can see that after that we have to enter this username and password, which for which so here you have to enter your username and password, and then entering this you will be see this dashboard. So let me show you again. So here you can see that this is how the WordPress dashboard is going to look like. Here you can see that this is our backend side. So here let me open the website on a new tab. So here you can see that this is our website. So we will going to create this website using all the free tools. So first of all, let me go to this hover over this post and click on all posts. So you have to delete all this post which you have over here, because we have to clean all the things. Just hover over these pages and click on all pages, and similarly do just click on this move to trash and click on apply. And then let's go to this hover over this appearance and go to the theme section. So here you can see that we have already pre-installed three themes over here. So let me first activate this 2019, and let me click on activate. So here you can see that 2019 theme is activated. So when I will refresh our page, and here you can see that this is 2019 page. Similarly, when I will click on activate on 2017, and then when I will refresh this page, here you can see that 2017 is activated. So we are not going to use these themes. So let me first delete these themes. So here you can see that I have deleted these two. So now click on this add new. So now here in this search theme you have to search for OceanWP. So in this website we are going to create the website with the help of this OceanWP theme. So first of all you have to search over here OceanWP, and here it is the theme. So this theme we have to use. Just simply click on this install button and just wait for the installation process. So here you can see that this theme is completely installed. So I will now click on activate here. Uh, So let's wait for it activated. So here you can see that it is activated, new theme is activated, and I will delete this 2017 theme also. Simply click on delete and now click on OK. So now let's hover over this plugin and go to the install plugin. So now here in this install plugin, you can see that I don't have any install plugin. But if you have any pre-installed plugin, so I suggest you simply delete all those plugin, because we are going to use very few plugins for this website. So now simply click on this add new, and then here just search for Ocean. So here you can see that this Ocean Extra, simply you can install this Ocean Extra, and then I will tell you few more plugins which we are going to install. Basically we are then now here you can search for Elementor, because we are going to use over here this Elementor page builder. That's why now let me show you. Now just type here Elementor. So after installing that Ocean Extra, we have to install this Elementor website builder and essential add-ons for Elementor. And if you and one more thing, that is essential kits Elementor add-ons. So these are the basically four total completely four plugins which we are going to install in this. And then after installing this, let's get start building our website. So here you can see that I have successfully installed all the four plugins which we have required. So I will simply select all the plugins, and under bulk action I will select on activate and then click on apply. So now, within a single click you can see that all the themes will be activated at a single time. So let's wait for the themes plugins to activate it. So here you can see that all the plugins are also activated. So now let's refresh our website. So here you can see that this is the blank website. So now basically here you can see that we have four number of pages over here. So I will do one thing. I will go to this over these pages and click on all pages, and here I will start creating all the pages. So first click on this add new, and then on this add title simply give it home, and then click on publish. Again click on this WordPress logo, and then again click on add new, and now again give the name about, and then click on publish. And similarly I will create this works page and contacts page. So again I will click on this WordPress logo, add new, works, publish, and then last page is contact us page. So here I will give the title contact us, publish. So now here you can see that we have created all the four number of pages as we require. So now let's start creating this home page. So first of all I will click on this home page. Here I will click on edit, and then here you can see that this content, let me first open this home page. First of all here you can see that this content layout, I will make it full width and then click on update. So now let's view our home page in a new tab. So here you can see that it is our home page, but here you can see that whenever I am this website, there is no slash home, because it is our home page. uh, we are not here you can see that this website is not attributing slash home, but whenever I will open this about page or works page or contacts page, so it will give that slash about or slash works. But here you can see that on our local website we have our domain name slash home. So let's first fix this. So again we will go back to the dashboard and hover over this setting and go to this click on this reading. So now here you can see that your home page display. So first of all click on this static page and here on this home page give home and then now save changes. So again hover over these pages and click on this all pages. So now let's refresh our page. So here you can see that slash home is gone. Here you can see that this is the about page and here you can find this photography one demo dot the cms guy slash about, because here this is about page. Similarly when I will open works or contacts page, so it will shows the page name. So now let's start creating this home page. So first of all again I will click on edit over here. So here on our home page you can see that we don't have any title. So first of all here on the OceanWP setting I will go to this title and disable it, disable the page title and then click on update. So now let's refresh. So here you can see that we have completely the blank home page. So now click on this edit with Elementor and start creating this web page. So first of all let me tell you one more thing, that all the images which we have used over here, that is also completely free, and I am going to provide you all the images that we are going to use or to create this website. So first of all for this you have to go to check the description below, and here there you can find that all the images were content on the zip file. So you have to extract that zip file and you will get all the images. So first of all here you can see that this is our first section, and on the first section we have one background image and we have some text over here. So first of all let me create one first section, and in that section I will simply drag one heading over here. So first of all let me copy this text, and then in this title section I will paste the text. So here you can see that here hi I am Bennett is in one line, and here hi I am Anne is in one line, and Bennett a creative is on second line. But here you can see that we have completely the text in a single line. So first of all here you can see that here I can use the HTML code br to break the line. So here you can see that hi I am Anne is one single line, and then Bennett on the second line. So first of all to customize it I will go to the style section. So here I will go to the style section, and here you can see that the text color is in white, but I am not going to change the text color now, because if I will change the text color then it will be creating very difficult me to see the text over here. So first of all I will go to this typography section, and here I will change the font family to Montserrat, and then here I will give the size to 72 pixel, 72 pixel, and then weight I will give it 400. I think 400 will be good. So one more thing I will do, I will just duplicate it, and then simply I will copy this photographer text also and paste it over here. So let me delete this. So again I will go to the style section, and here I will change the weight to 700. So now here you can see that we have all the text over here. So now we have to create this button. So for this button let me first add the images. So first of all I will click on this six dots on this, and then here you can see that here I am this on edit section. So first of all I will make the content width to full width, and then section stretch section. So here you can see that this is how it is. So you can also make this boxed, but enable this stretch section also, so that the text will be on aligned. So first of all again we will go to the style, and here on the background I will select classic and I will add image. So let me add all the images which I am going to provide you on the zip file. So on that zip file you can find all the images which I am uploading over here. So let's wait to all the images to get uploaded. So all right, here you can see that all the images which we have used on our demo website is already uploaded. So here you can see that this is the home background, so I will simply click on this insert media. So now I can change the text color from here. So let me make the text colors to white. That's it. Now click on update. So here you can see that I have already changed the text color to white. So now again click on this 9 dot and search for button. So here you can find this button, simply drag it under the text. So now first of all, let me go to the style and change the background color. Here I will make the background color to transparent, and then here border type I will make it solid, and border width I will give 2. So here first of all I will change the button typography. So first of all let me edit font family. I will give it again Montserrat, this one, and then size I will give it 12 pixel, or you can increase it according to you, 13, 15, anything, but here I will left it 12, and weight I will give it 700, and line height let me give it 1.25. So in this way you can 1.25 em will be the good one. So here you can see that we have, so now one more thing is that we have to adjust the padding also. So for the padding I will give top padding 22, and the bottom padding also 22, and on the right I will give 50 padding, and on the left also I will give 50 padding. So here you can see that we have this read mode text on this. So again I will go to the content, and here I will type read mode. So here you can see that all this read mode text is on smaller case. So let me go to the style, and here on the typography section I can change the style of the text. Suppose I want to sorry, this is the transform. So suppose I want all the text to uppercase, then I can select this uppercase, or the capitalize means all the first letter of the word will be capitalized. So here I will make it uppercase. So in this way if you want, then you can also increase the text size also, but here I will not going to increase. I will make it default 12 pixel. So now one more thing, here you can see that we have some gap over here on photographer and this button. We have some gap, but here you can see that we don't have any gap. So for this we have to go to this advanced, and here I we have to give one top margin. Suppose I am giving here top margin 30. So now you can see that there is some gap between this photographer text and then this read more button. So now let's again go to this section setting and then go to the advanced. So here is the main thing, that we have to give the margin over here. So first of all I will change the margin from pixel to em, and then here I will give margin 14 em. So here you can see that when I am giving margin, it is adding some space over here, but that image is not coming because we have used the margin. So for let me first unlink the padding and then click on this em, and here I will give 14 top em, and on the bottom also I will give 14 em. So now you can see that the image is coming over here. So for this again go back and then go to the style layout and make the position to center, and then attachment if you want then you can change, but I will make it default. And repeat I will select no repeat, and size I will select content not sorry cover. So you have to select the size to cover. So now if you want that, here you can see that our text is looking clearly, but here due to this light effect our text is not looking clearly. So for this we have to add the background overlay. Simply click on this classic option, and here you can see that you can select the color. So here I will give this black color. So let me give this now you can see that, and opacity to 0.75. So now you can, here also you can see that our text is visible very clearly. Now let me click on update. So we have successfully created our first section. So now here you can see that this is transparent header over here, but here you can see that we don't. So that part we will do later on. So now let's go to this second part over here. Now you can see that this is our second section. So here you can see that we have some text over here that with my portfolio, and then we have three images, and here you can see that we have one button over here. So first of all, again, I will do one thing. I will create one section with two column, or let me create one section first. So first of all, I have created one section over here, and then again I will click on this 9 dot, and here simply drag the heading over here. So here I will make the alignment center, and on the title section I will change it to my portfolio. So now I will go to the style section, and here I will change the text color to E2E2D. So this will be my text color for this heading. And then again I will go to this typography and change the font family to Montserrat, and here I will give the size to 30 pixel, and weight I will leave as it is 600, and here a line height I will give 1.3 or 1.5 also you can make, there is no issue. Everything you can give according to you. So now let me click on update. So if you want to add some text shadow also, then also you can add, but I don't like that text shadow, that's why I'm not going to add over here. So now here you can see that we have two images over here. So for this, again I will click on this 9 dot, and here you can see that this inner section I will simply drag it under my portfolio. So now I got these two columns over here to add the images. So now let me first again click on this 9 dot and search for the image visit, and I will simply drag it here on the first column and select the image. So here you can see that we have one and two image on this. So I will select this is the image. I will click on insert media, and then I will duplicate this one, and here I will select this image. So here you can see that we have two images on the left hand side, and now we have to add one image on the right hand side. Simply I will again click on this 9 dot and simply drag this image on the right hand side, and then here I will select this image over here. So now here you can see that we have these three images. But now one more thing you can see that here my portfolio and this image distance, we have some distance over this my portfolio text and this images. But here you can see that we don't have any distance on with my portfolio and these images. So for this again we can do one thing. We will go to this advanced setting of this heading, and here I will unlink the margin, and here I will on the give 50 pixel bottom margin, and then click on update. So now here you can see that my portfolio text and image have some distance over here. So now one more difference you can see over here, that there is a more gap between them, but here you can see that there is very less between the less gap between the columns. So for this, to fix this, I will go to this inner section, and then here you can see that column gap, you can select no gap or narrow, and then just go to this column setting and go to advanced, and simply remove this margin and padding, so that this will help to come to image closer. Again I will do for this also. I will remove this margin and padding for these images also, and then here I will select I will go to the style section of this image, and then here image I will make it full, or if you want you can make it custom. You can give it custom, but I think large is also looking fine. So now here you can see that let me again go to this layout over here, and then click on update. So one more thing I will do over here, I will give the alignment center to these images, because here you can see that this image is completely covering all whole portion of this column, but these images are not covering that whole portion of the image. That's why I have given the center alignment. So now now the next part is that we have to create this button for this. So here you can see that we have this text over here with view all, and then we have this view all must be linked to this work page. So for this, again, click on this 9 dots and then simply search for button, and then drag under the image. So now make the alignment to center, and then here you can see that we have one arrow icon for here. So first of all, let me, here you can see that we have this arrow button. So I will, let me add one arrow button. So here I will search for right arrow, and here you can find the different option here, so you can add any of the arrow. So let me add this one and then click on insert. So here icon position you can select after the text, and then alignments I have to make it center. So now let's go to the style, and here let me first of all go to the type text color, and then here I will change that to E2E2D, the same text color which we have used earlier. And then now I will first go to this content and then change the text, that is we have view all. So for this again I will go to the typography. Here I will select the font family Montserrat again. On this complete website we are going to use this Montserrat theme, Montserrat text only. So now I will select the size to 20 pixel, and then weight I will give it 500. Line height I will give 2 em, and letter spacing let me give it 1. So now here you can see that I have to make the view all to uppercase. So here transform I will select the uppercase. So now background color, I don't need any background color, so I will delete the background color. So now here you can see that when I am hovering over this text, then I am getting another color, but here I didn't set any hover color. So for this again I have to go to this hover, and then here on this background color I have to select one color. So here I will, let me select a color for this hover color, FF 4 times 0. So this will be the color. So this is the background color coming, but here also I will not set any background color, so I am going to FF 4 times 0. I'm going to change the text color only. So this is how our this button is also created. So now one more thing is over here. If you want to add some hover animation, suppose if you want to add shrink or any of this wobble bottom like this, or you are getting lot more budge, so you are getting lot more option, so you can add over here. So here you can see that pulse shrink. So you are getting so many options. If you want to add hover border type, suppose here you can see that, let me add a border, a 2 width border. So when I am hovering over here you can see that this border also coming with this animation effect. So I am not going to add this, so let it be hover animation, and then click on update. So now here you can see that we have some gap after the image, this button, but here we have no gap over here. So for this again we have to go to this advanced, unlink the margin, and give some padding over here, so 30 and 30 bottom, and then click on update. That's it. So here you can see that we have got this. Let me go back, or you can suppose so now one more thing is that we have to go to this section setting, and then go to this advanced, and we have to add 100 top margin and 100 bottom margin, so that there will be a equal distribution between the page. So here you can see that we have space between this section and this section also. So now let's come to this third section. So for this third section, again we have to create a text with 2 column. uh, so here again I will do one thing. I will click on this plus add new section and click on this 2 column. So now for this section, we have to add all image on the left hand side. So let me first go to this column setting and go to the style and then background type. Let me select a image. So now I will tell you that why I have given a background column image, a background image, this image in a column background. So first of all, let me go to this section setting, and here I will make the layout will be stretched and content width will also full width. So now let's start adding the text. So first of all, here you can see that we have our first text. So simply I will click again, I will click on this 9 dot and simply drag the heading on the right column, and then I will paste the text. So here you can see that I will go to the style section and text color. Here I will select 54595F, and go to the let me go to this typography, and here font family Montserrat. Size I will give 30 pixel, weight 600, and line height 1.3 em. So now again here we can see that we have another some text over here. I will simply copy this text, and then here you can see that this text editor, I can simply drag it under this, and then I can paste the text. So now you can see that this is looking really weird. So now again I will go to the style and content layout alignment, I will give it left align, and then text color I will select 333 6 times 3, and then let me go to this typography, and here I will change the font family to Montserrat, and I will give it 14 pixel, or I can give it 15 pixel also, and weight I will give it 400 or 300. So here you can see that this is really looking very weird, because this font weight is not getting controlled, because here we have selected this heading 2. So let me make it paragraph, and then now let me go to the style section. Here you can see that I can adjust it from here. So now line height I will give it 2 em. So here you can see that as we have chosen this text editor, that's why we are not going to adjust all these things. So I will do one thing, I will delete this. Again I will simply drag this heading from here, and here HTML tag I will select this paragraph, and here I will paste the text, and then go to the style and change the color to 333 6 times 3, and then here I will go to this typography and change the font family to Montserrat, and size I will give 30 pixel, and sorry, I will give 15 pixel, and weight I will give 400, and line height I will give 2 em. So this is the text how it is looking like. So here you can see that we got the same text over here. So now one more before going to this, here you can see that this text are coming on the coming towards left. So for this we can do over here, I will go to this advanced, and here margin left I will give it minus 100. Similarly I have to give the go to advanced, unlink the margin, and here let me give it minus 100 again. So now you can see that when I am just making it full width, this text is going long way. So for this we have to fix this. To fix this type of issue, you can you have two options. So just like here you can see that we have one break on loves, then we have one break on headshots, and then we have one break on C's. So you can go to this content, and then here one by one let me make it bigger one, and here one by one, suppose here you can give a break on loves, then you can give a break on headshots, and then you can give a break on C's. But suppose if you want to make this text fix this breaks, you want to make the makes fix break,
then you can choose this option. But suppose if you want to edit this, then also you can go to this advanced and you can give some right margin according to you. Suppose if you will give 100 right margin, and then go to this content, and if you will remove this breaks, then also it will be looking quite good. So you have two options in your hand. Whichever will be looks good, or whichever will be feels good to you to use, that thing you can use it. There will be no issue. So you can also reduce it to, let me give it 200. I think 200 will be good. So that's it. 200 or 250, anything you can add it. 250 also you can add. There is no issue with 250 also. So in this way you can also edit this text. So now we have to do one more thing. That is, here you are getting this problem over here. So let me go back to this, and here I will make the position to center, and then repeat, select no repeat, and then I will select it cover. So now we have to add this text over here. So for this, again I will go to this heading and simply drag this heading here, and then let me copy this complete text from here, and now paste it here. So again I will go to this style, and then change, let me change the color. Here I will give the color DE2431, and then let go to this typography, change the font family to Montserrat, and give a size 14 pixel, weight 700. So now let's see how it is looking. So here you can see that here there is some gap between this text and the image. So to add this, again we have to go to this advanced and unlink the margin, and here I will add 30 on the left margin. So now I will do one thing. I will duplicate this text. Sorry, I think I have made a mistake. Now I will duplicate this text, and then similarly I will add this phone also. Copy, and here delete the text, and then, so now we have to add this social icons. So to add the social icons, again click on this 9 dot and search for social icons over here. Also this is the social icon, simply drag it under the text, and go to the style section, and then make the color to custom primary color. Select primary color white, and secondary color black, and then size give it 16, spacing leave it 5. So now go to this content, and make it left align, and you can add so many. Suppose if you want to add different types of social media icons more, then also you can add. So now again go to this advanced and unlink the margin, and give a left margin of 30, because these three are in a single line. That's why I have given here 30 margin. Now click on update. So now let's go to the style section, and here you can see that when I am hovering over this, I am not getting any color. So for this, here you can see this icon hover. So again I will go to this and select this secondary color, and here I will give the color DE2431. Now you can see that when I am hovering over here, the color is coming. So now you can here also add this hover animation uh, to these icons also. So here you can see that we are getting different types of animation when I am hovering over. Now click on update. So now here comes an interesting part. So here when let me show you in a mobile site. Here you can see that we are getting this image, then we have getting few text, and then we are getting all the text over here. So now let me make it one thing. I will go to this column setting, and vertically I will make it let me go to this vertical align. I will make it middle. So now let me click on update, and then when you will see this responsive side, here you can see that how bad it is looking like. So first of all, unlink this margins and then go to the style, content, make the alignment center. You can edit, reduce this to 15 or 16, 18 will be look. Similarly, you have to do this margins, and then content you can make them center. And one more thing, you can suppose if you want to add some margin over here, add some margin, 10 margin or 15 margin to the right and left. So now this image is not coming. So for this, again go to this desktop, and here click on this six dots and search for spacer. Now you can add this spacer, add 200 pixel spacer, update. Now let's go to this mobile view. Here you can see that we have this image, then we are getting all the text. There is no issue. So again go to this desktop, and then here you can see, go to this advanced, and then add some margin, 50 margin thing, unlink this. Let me make it 0. Here I will add margin 50 top, and similarly I will add the margin bottom also 50. Hmm, let me go here. So you can do one more thing, that you can increase this to 500, so that and make it middle. So now here you can see that, so that you will get a bigger image over here. And on the mobile side, you can make it you can make the spacer to 200 pixel. There is no issue. Now you can see that here you are getting the complete image, and similarly you are on the desktop side also, you are getting a good image. Now click on update. So here you can see that in this way we have created the third section also. So now it's our time to create a fourth section. So in this fourth section, this section is very interesting because it is filterable. You can see that nature, when I'm clicking here, all the image with nature, and when I'm clicking on people, here peoples are coming, portraits, then portrait images are coming, street, then street images are coming. So now I will show you how you can create this filterable image. So for this, again we have to create one section, and for this we have to click on this 9 dots, and then search for filterable gallery, this one by Elementor add-on. Simply you have to drag it over here. So now here you can see that you have one gallery item only, but we have nature, people, portrait, and street. So for this, here you have to go to this filterable control, and you can add number of items. So here we have to, suppose we have to add portraits. So here you can see that portraits. Then suppose you have to add the new item, that is street and people and nature. So similarly you can click on this add item, and then here you can add people, and then suppose if you want to add this one nature also, now you can also add your nature. So in this way you can add this filterable part. So now let's go to this gallery item. So here you can see that we have this 6 images over here, that's why we have 6 gallery item name. So let me delete all this. I will left only one over here. So first of all, before going to this, here you can see that when I am hovering over here, nothing is coming over here. So here you can see that everywhere when I'm hovering, nothing is coming. So first of all, we have to delete all this thing because we don't need. So here you can see that gallery item name is coming. You can simply delete this. And then paragraph, you don't need paragraph. So suppose here if you want to give some information, suppose where this image is, or for which for where this image is captured, or everything, then here you can give item name or this thing to add. So now I will do one thing, load more button. Here you can see that it is already off. So now here you can see that on this here I don't need any uh, lightbox icon, that's why I'm going to delete this. And now I have to delete these colors also. Go to the style, icon style, simply delete these things because we don't need this thing. Hover also I will delete. So now here you can see that we have completely cleaned. So now here you can see that we have in all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. We have all the 15 images over here. So now here you can select how many number of items you want to. Suppose if you will make it 10, then in this all section only 10 images will only be visible, and you cannot see any other, more than 10 images. So that's why according to your number of images you can select items to show here. So now let's go to this gallery item. So here in this gallery item you can see that control name. Suppose this item I am going to add is portraits. So here on this control name I have to give the portraits. And then let me select one image. So here you can see that we have all these images over here. That is I have uploaded, given you all the images. So here this is one portrait image, this one is also portrait image. So here you can see that, let me select one portrait image. So here you can see that I have selected this portrait image over here. And then when you are going clicking on this portrait image, this image is coming, but on street nothing, people, nature, so nothing is coming over here. So in this way again you can click on item, then your control name I will give street. And then so here I can do one more thing. Let me cut this one, and I will duplicate this item one only. And then here I will do one thing, control name I will change it to street. And I will simply change the image. So let me select a street image. So now whenever I will click on the street, here you can see that I have got the street image. And now go to this setting. Suppose if you want to change this image, go to the style, and then item style you can make it. Suppose if you want to add some padding over here, or item hover style, here you can see that this background color. So if you want to add some any other color, then also alignment, content alignment also. And here no video is used, that's why I am not going to. Item style, suppose if you want to make it solid, then also you can make item style control setting. Suppose if the typography which is appear on the title and all, that thing also you can change it. So in this way you can add. Let me add few more filterable gallery items. And I will do one thing, I will copy this up to 15. We have 15 images, so I will do one thing, I will change this straight to nature. And then here I will start adding here nature one image I have added. Then I will do I will change it to people. And then here I will add person one image. So here you can see that on people we have one image, on nature we have one image, on street we have so many image, because every other items I have selected in street only. So again I can do one thing, again I will give it a, and let me change this image. So similarly you can again I will make it portraits. and here I can select any other image. So in this way you can give. Let me quickly create this section, and then I will continue this video. So here you can see that I have added some of the images, different images on different sections. So now here let's come to this grid style. So here you can select this masonry, so that here you can see that here we are getting this random style. And then layout, you can make it card or search and filter, different types of, or you can make it overlay, different types you are getting. Suppose if you want to make fade in or different, so hover style, you can select this slide in up or zoom anything. Suppose here you can see that if you want to make it card, so you are getting this layout also. Everything you can custom over here. Links to, if you don't want to link, then you can select this link, no link. So let me select this layout to overlay. Now click on update. So by this, here you can see that this section is also created. So now let's go to this section setting and go to advanced and add a 100 top margin and 100 bottom margin. Now click on update. So now we have to create this footer section. So for this footer section, again we have to click on add one section over here. And then I can do one more thing for this footer section, is that I can simply duplicate this section, and then I will drag this here only, and here I will make the alignment to center, and then let me click on update. So now let's refresh our home page and let's see how it is looking like. So here you can see that we have successfully created our home page. So these things I will later on fixed over here. So here you can see that we are getting this black over here, but we don't have any black. So this thing I will show you later on how to fix it. So now let's do one more thing, that I have to show you more things, that for this I will save this template. Simply right click on this six dots and save as template, and here you can make it portfolio, or you can save it as works, because this is we are going to use on work section. And then one more thing is that we have to add this, save this one, right click on this save as template and make it footer, save is as footer, click on save. So now here you can see that in this way we have created our home page successfully. So now let's go to this about page. I will click on this line again and click here exit to dashboard. Again now click on this WordPress logo to go back to all pages. So now we have to start creating this WordPress this about us page. So now here you can see that this about us page is not a big issue, because we have one image on the left hand side and few text on the right hand side. So now I will show you how you can create this about us page. So now to create about us page, again I will click on edit. So here you can see that we have this title over here. So now let me so here I will content layout, make it full width, and then let me click on update, and now open a view page. So here you can see that we have this title over here, so I will left the title for this. And then one more thing, I will go to this title and display heading, I will make it disable. Now click on update and then refresh this page. So here you can see that I don't have the heading, but I have the title bar. So suppose if I want to change the title, suppose I want to make it centered, then also I can make it here. When I will refresh this, here you can see that I got it on center, but here it is given on the right hand side. But let's I will make here on center. So now the important thing is that let's start creating this. So for this again I will click here on edit with Elementor to start editing this page. So here you can see that I have to create two column for it. So first of all, let me click on this plus icon and one section with two column. So here on the left hand side, I have one image over here. So first of all, I will simply click on this 9 dot and simply drag an image, and I will select a image from here. So one more thing is that I have left this image. I have not uploaded this image. So first let me upload this image. So here you can see that I have uploaded that image. I will simply click on insert media. So here I have successfully added the image. Now I will click on this 9 dot again, and here I will simply drag this heading option. So first of all, I will copy this heading text from here. Let me copy this heading text. So now here you can see that I have copied this text from here, and let me paste it in the title section. Now again I will go to the style, and here I will select the text color 54595F, and I will go to this typography, and here I will change the font family to Montserrat, and size to 30, and I will leave it the weight of 600. So now here you can see that I have one text over here with different color. So for this again I will copy that text, and then click on this the 9 dot again, simply drag this heading under the text, and here I will give the HTML tag to paragraph, and then here I will paste the text, and then go to the style, and here I will change the color FF0000, and then I will go to this typography section. Font family, I will change the font family to Montserrat, and here size I will give 14 pixel, and weight I will give it 400, and line height 2 em, and click on update. So we have successfully created the second text also. Now again I will copy this paragraph, and I will do one thing, I will duplicate this, and here I will paste the paragraph. Then I will go to the style, and here I will change the text color only, and click on update. So in this way, now a few more changes are left, that we have to create this education. So now here you can see that this title and education is similar. So I can do one thing, I can simply duplicate this text and drag it under here, and here I can simply paste that education, and then I have successfully got this education. So now one more thing I have to do is that I will simply copy the same text from here. I will duplicate this paragraph, I will bring it under education, or I will take the education upper. So now here you can see that let me paste the title over here, oh sorry, uh, on this paragraph section. I will paste this title, and then I will go to this style section. Here I will change the color, then go to this typography and make it 700. Now I will go to this advanced and unlink the margin, and here I will give left margin 40. So here you can see that I got the same. So I will do one thing, I will duplicate these things. Let me duplicate it 3 times. I have duplicate 3 times because here you can see that I have on this education, I have to create this two headings. So I will do one thing, I will again copy this and paste it over here, and then I will simply copy this email and phone number, and now I will do one thing, paste it over here. So now here you can see that email is on one line and phone number is on second line, but here everything is on first line. So again here I am going to use that HTML code BR to break a line, and here now you can see that email is on first line and phone number is on second line. So now one more thing that is I have to do is I will simply duplicate this paragraph, and then go to this advanced section, and here I will give it 40 left. Now I will do one thing, I will simply copy the text from here, and on the content I will paste it, and now I will duplicate it. So how fast you can see that we have successfully created. So now here you can see that the text is in center. So for this, again we have to go to this column, edit column setting, and then here vertical alignment we have to give it middle. So now here you can see that we have created this about a space successfully. So now again I will go to this setting and advance. Here I will give margin 100, margin top and bottom, so that it will look quite good. So now here I will click on this folder icon again, and then go to this my template, and here I will insert that footer which we have already created. So this is the footer. Now click on update, and that's all. So here you can see that how easily we have created this about us page. So similarly again, now we have to go to this work page. So now I will click on this three line again, and then click on this exit dashboard. Then again I will click on this WordPress logo to go back to the pages. So now here you can see that this is our work page. So work page. So I will click on edit from here. So here in this work page you can see that nothing is here. We have this title over here, and then we have the same filterable images only. So for this, again I will make the content to full width, and here on the title section I will disable the uh, display heading, and title style I will make it center, because I like it to make it center. Now let me open this on a new page. So now here you can see that this breadcrumbs is on center. So now I will click on here edit with Elementor, and here I will do one thing. I will simply click on this folder icon, then go to this my template, and here I will simply uh, click insert this work section, and that's all. And then again I will click on this folder icon and insert the footer. Just click on no, and see how fast we have created this section, portrait, this filterable section, everything. So here also you can control this filterable everything, or if you want to change the gallery items or anything, then also you can change. There is not an issue. So let me refresh this workspace also. So here you can see that how fast we have created all these three pages. Isn't it cool? So now let me go back, again click on this three line and click here on exit to dashboard. So now one final page is left, that is contact us. So again to go back to this, we have to create this WordPress logo, and here on this contact us page, here you can see that again I will click on edit here, and here content layout I will make it full width, and then title I will disable the display heading, and then title style here I will make it center, and then click on update. So now again click on edit with Elementor. So here you can see that this is our contact page. So first of all, for this I have to do one thing. Here you can see that we have one contact form over here. So to create this contact form, we have to go back to the dashboard. So here you can see that I will go back to the dashboard on a new tab, and again I will hover over this plugin and click on add new. So now I have to install one form name, that is contact form 7. So here I will simply type contact form 7. So this is the plugin by 𝗙cie𝗵𝘵𝘁 contact form 7. This plugin we have to install. So I will click on this install now. So now let's wait to get this form installed. So now here you can see that this contact form 7 is installed. So I will click on this activate. So now let's wait for this contact form to activate it. So here you can see that this contact form 7 is also activated. So here you can see that this contact, just hover over this contact and click on contact form. So here you can see that there is one already pre-made contact form 1. So simply you can see here we need name, email and message. So for this I will click on edit over here, And I will do one thing. Here you can see that the submit button send is completely in capital. So here I can change it this to capital, and here I will do one thing. I will clear all with labels, label tag. So here I will add name, email, and message. So first of all, again I will select on text. I will make it required, and here name I will give it your name, and default value I will simply give now name with a star mark, and click on this use this text as a placeholder. Click on insert tag. Now again click here on email and click here on tick mark on required field, and here give it the name your email, default value give it email with star mark, and then here use this text as a placeholder for the of the field. Then click on insert tag. Then again I need a text area. I will select this text area, make it required field, and here I will give it your message, and then default value I will give message, and use this text as a placeholder, and then click on insert. So now I will save this contact form. So now let's go to this contact as our editing page, and then let's refresh it. I have refreshed it because that contact form will come over here. That's why. So now, first of all, let me cut this one. So first of all, here you can see that we have one uh, contact me title over here. So first of all, I will click on add icon, add one column over here, and then again I will click on this 9 dot and simply drag this heading, and here I will paste the text and make it alignment to center. Now let's go to the style, and here I will give the color black, and then I will go to this typography. Here I will select Montserrat, then here I will give the size 30 pixel, and weight will be 600 pixel. Now let me click on update. So here you can see that we have some text over here. So for this text, again I will click on this 6 dots, and here you can see this text editor. You can simply drag it under here, and then just change the text over here. And now you can do one more thing. Here you can see that on this lorem you can hit a enter, so that it will come under second line. So now you can go to the style section and make the alignment center, and then here you can leave the text color 7a 7a 7a, and go to this typography and select this font family to Montserrat, and size I will tell you to select 14 pixel, and here height you can select 2 em. So in place of that it is looking very weird. So I will do one thing. I will simply done, and then I will go to this advanced, and here I will unlink the margin, and here I will give right margin 200 pixel and left margin also 200 pixel. I think this margin is looking very good over here. So now the main thing is that we have to create this social icons over here. So for this again I will click on this 9 dot, and here I will search for social icons, and simply I will do one thing. I will drag it under this text, and then go to the style section. Here I will make this custom, and primary color I will give it white, and secondary color I will give 393939, and then size over here, let me select size, and let me give a size of 24 pixel, and on icon hover I can select a primary color of DE2431. Otherwise let me delete this primary color, and here let me give it DE2431 secondary color. So now here you can see that on this content section you can add so many of this social media icons, and here on this link option you can give social media links of your social media handles, so that, and here you can say change the shape to round, square, circle, anything. But here we don't have the background, that's why it is not looking anything. So now let's click on update. So here you can see that this first section is completely created. So now let's go to create our second section. So for this second section we need 4 column. So I will do one thing, go to this advanced section, and here I will add 50 margin. And again I will go to this section setting of this 4 column, go to this advanced, and here also I will add 50 margin top and 50 margin bottom. So first of all, here you can see that it is icon box. So again I will click on this 9 dot, and here I will search for icon box. So this I can use, simply drag it here. Now we have to select a icon. Suppose let me select for map. So here I can use any of this. Let me use this one, or I can use this any. I have so many of option, I can use anyone. Here I have used this map. So here you can see that we have some content over here, but we don't need any title. I will simply delete the title from here, and I will paste this content. So here you can see that we have to add HTML tag to bring this content on a second line. So now let's go to the style section, and here I will do one thing, spacing. I will leave it as 35 15, and size I will give it 34. Now I will do one thing, primary color, here I will give it DE24 2431. In case if I want to give any hover color of black or anything, then also I can give. But here I will not. Here let's give a hover color of black. That's really not a issue over here. So now let's go to this content section, and here you can see that we don't have given any title over here. So here you can see that I can adjust this one also. So suppose here I will give this spacing also 15. So now I will go to this content description, and here I will give 33333. And on the typography I will select the font family to Montserrat, and here I will give 15 pixel, or otherwise 14 pixel and 400. Let me click on update. So here you can see that in this way I will do one thing, I will duplicate these things, or otherwise I will copy and paste in these things. So paste in this column. So here I got. So now I have to do only, I have to change this. So here you can see that for phone number I will simply search here for phone. Let me select I have so many option over here, I can select. Let me select this one also, and then here I will copy this, and on the content side I will paste it. So here also I will again use this HTML tag to bring this text on the secondary color. So suppose let me give this one also. Here you can see that here I have to give a email, and let me copy this one. Again here I will give that HTML tag, and then I will copy this, and here I will search for time. Let me search, and I can use this one also, and here let me paste and use this. So suppose here you can see that I have used the text color is looking a little bit lighter. So first of all I will do one thing, I will go to this content, and here go to this typography, and here weight I will give for 700, or let me suppose 600. So to save a time, so what I will do, I will simply copy this, and here everywhere I will simply go right click and click on paste style, so that here you can see that every text is going to be bold. So it is very time saving if you will do like this. Otherwise if you select this and then go to the style section, then content, then you will change the typography, and then here you will select the weight, it will take a long process. That's why it is very easier process to copy. If you have changed somewhere, copy and simply paste your style. So now it's come let's come to this form option. So here I will again add one content, and here I will go to this section setting advanced, and here also I give a margin of 50/50, top 50 bottom 50. Now click on this 9 dot, and here search for contact form 7. This contact form 7, simply drag it here. Now here you can select this contact form 1, because we have use this contact form 1. So now I will do one thing. I will go to the style section. Here you can select this form maximum width, or let me go to this advanced unlinked things, and here I can select 150 left, and otherwise let me make it 200 left and 200 right and 200 left. So here you can see that this form come to center. So now what I will do, I will go to the style section and make the alignment of the form to center. And then here you can see that in this input and text area, I will do one thing. Let me go here. Uh, because we don't have any title and description, I am not going to edit any of this title and description. I will go to this input text area, and here I will do one thing. You can change the text color. Suppose if you want someone will type, then text color will be changed. So I'm not going to do that, and I will go typography. Here I will change the font family Montserrat. That's it. And then again I will go to this label. If you have different display option for the labels also, you can change this to any of this, suppose for the levels, but here we don't have levels, that's why I'm not going to do this thing. Here you can see that the submit button, you can make the alignment of the submit button also just like this. And then you can simply unlink the padding, and suppose here you will give 20 top or 15 top, and then right you will give 20, and then again bottom you will give 15, and on the left you will give 20. And here you can, if you want to give a background color of DE2531, and someone will hover over here. Let me suppose if you want to give the background color to black, so in this way you can make. So now the most important thing is, here you can see that we have only single line over here. So here for this, again I will go here. I will do one thing. So now again I will click on this folder icon, to go to this my template and simply insert a photo, and now click on update. So now here you can see that in this way we have created all our pages. So now again go click on this, click here to exit to dashboard. Again I will click on this WordPress logo to go back to the page section. So now the most important thing is that we have to create a menu. So for this again I will hover over this appearance, and then go to this menus, and here I will give the menu name main menu, and then click on this create menu. So here you can see that I will click on pages all, home, about, contact us, work, and then click here on add menu. So in this way I will give it a main and then save menu. So now let's open our website and let's see how it is looking. So this is how it is looking. So first of all I will do one thing. Here you can see that there is one space. It is because here when you will go to this edit page, here you can see that this is a padding is enabled, so you have to disable padding on all the pages. Otherwise let me again view page. So here you can see that there is no padding, but when I will visit the about page, here the padding will come, or work page also the padding will come. So for this I have to disable the padding for every page. So again I will go to this edit page for every page, and here I will disable the paddings. Let me disable this padding also, and this padding also. So all right, so here you can see that all the paddings were disabled. So let me refresh this page again. So here you can see that the padding is disabled. So now let's we have to here you can see that I have added a menu, so I have to add a logo. So for this I will go to this customize section. So here you can see that on the site identity section, here you can give a site title and tagline to your website. And then on this menu section, here we have already selected a menu. Then we have to, let me go to first the header. On the general setting, here you can see that you can select a header style. Suppose for the home page, because home page we need a transparent, that's why I will make it transparent. So here you can see that it is completely transparent. And then let me here go to this top bar and go to the general and disable the top bar. So now here you can see that this our homepage section is completely transparent. So now let's go back and again go to this header section, and here on this logo, let me select a logo. So for this I have to upload a logo. Let me select a logo. So here it is our logo. Then I will select, then when you will select a logo, it will prompt you to crop your image. So here if you want to crop your logo image, then also you can crop it, and then click here on crop image. So here you can see that our logo is added, but it is that width is not set. So here I will do one thing, I will set the width 75, and here height I will give it 100 pixel. Now click on publish. So here we don't want this white line. So for this I will do one thing, I will go to this general setting, and here you can see that border bottom color, I will make it transparent. So here you can see that that color is also vanished. So now click on publish and go back to the typography section. So here in this typography section, go to this main menu, and here font family select Montserrat. So for this you have to type first for this like this, and font weight you can give it like 600 something, and font style, for transform make it uppercase, and here give it 15 pixel. Otherwise you can give it 16 pixel also, and then click on update. So now let's go back to this header option again. So here you can see that when I am hovering over it, it is blue line is coming. So for this I will go to this general option, general styling. Here I will change the color DE2431. For this primary color also I will give DE2431, and then click on publish. Now you can see that when I am hovering over here, the color is looking different. So now again I will do one thing, I will go to this header setting, and in this header media, if you want to change the position of it, of your header, then also you can change it. Let me go back from here, and on this general setting, here you have this transparent header setting also, or if you want to add some padding, suppose if you want to add some top padding and some bottom padding also, then also you can add. But here I don't need any top or bottom padding, or let me add a top padding of 10 pixel from here. Now click on publish. So now let's see how our home page is looking like. Let's go to this home page. So this is our home page, how it will be look like. So we have to create different headers. So here you can see that on about us page, on works page, and contact us page, we have a different header over here. So for this we have to create different header. So before that let's customize this. Here you can see that this text color is this font size is bigger. So for this again go to this customize, and let me go to this typography again, and here you can see that this breadcrumbs, let me give it 15, or you can give it 16 pixel also, And font weight you can make it 600, and transform, make it uppercase. Font family, here give it Montserrat, and then click on publish. So now here you can see that this thing is also customized. So now I will show you how I will provide you this how you can create this header for different about, works and contacts page. So for this we have to go back to this dashboard, and here you can find this element kit option. So simply you have to click here on header footer, and then here we have to click this add new, and here you have to give a title header, type header. And for otherwise you can do one more thing over here. Let me go back. So basically you have two options. So here on this elements kit option you can add new, and then if you want to add entire site, then also you can done it over here. Otherwise you can do one thing, just click on this theme panel, and here you have to make it allow and activate this. So let me first activate this, and then here you can go to this my library, and here you can click on add new. So first of all here you can give it a name. Suppose here I am giving it header, and then I will publish it. So now here I will click on this edit with Elementor. So now for here again I will do one thing. I will simply click on this folder icon, and then you have to upload this. Click on this upload button and select file. I will provide you a JSON file where you will get this complete design of this header. Otherwise you can here you can see that this is uploaded. Let me click here. So now here you can see that everything is done over here completely. So first of all make it let me make it stretch section. I will make it boxed. So here you can see that this is I have completely provide you this section. So simply click on update here. Otherwise you can simply create a menu over here according to you. Suppose here you can see that in this style section, if I want to change any of this item text color or hover color or active color, then also I can change. There is no issue. So for this again I will do one thing. I will go to this pages, and suppose on about page I will click here on edit. Suppose on about page I want to look like this, this header I want to look like this. So for this again I will go to this header section, and then here display top bar I will disable it, and display header I will just make it enable, and here I will say custom header on the header style, and here I will select this template, header template, and then I will click on update. So now let's view our about us page, how it is looking like. So here you can see that this about us page with our custom header. So one more thing is that here you can find this we have some padding over top. That's why it is let me delete the padding, and then I will refresh it. So here you can see that we are getting some gap over here. To overcome this I will click on here on exit to dashboard, and here you can see that we have one padding. I will disable it. Let me update. So now whenever I will refresh this, one more second, content layout, make it full width. Now let me refresh this. So this thing is mainly occur due to our home page, because on home page we have given some padding of 10 pixel. That's why it is occurring. So let me go to this customize again, and that thing we can resolve. So similarly for this contact us page also, again I will click on it. So here you can see that I will go to this header setting, and then general. So here you can see that this top I have given this 10 padding. That's why it is occurring. So I will make it 0. let me make it 0. So now here you can see that white color background is completely gone. So now for this contact us page also, again I can select on here header, disable the top bar and display header, make it enable, and here select the header style custom header and select this header and click on update. And when I will view this contact us page, let me open this and now here you can see that is completely changed. So here in this way you can change everything according to your need. So now one more important thing is left, that is our footer part. So for this footer part, again I will click on this customize option, and here I will go to this footer widget and make it off, the footer widget. So let's wait. So here you can see that footer widget is completely gone. So now for this footer bottom, so here you can see that we have this copyright, here we have used this ocean theme by Nick, that's why. So I will make it made by the CMS guys. And suppose if you want to add some link also, then also you can add a link. And here you can adjust a padding from here also. That's 10 padding is good. So now background color, I will make it white and then click on publish. So now you can see that's all guys. We have completely successfully created this photography website. And if you have any doubt regarding this any feature of the website, or if you have stuck any over there, then also you can leave a comment. I will definitely love to answer your queries. And don't forget to subscribe.